Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to find and view quick share link sharing history. If you are using any phone and you want to find and view your quick share link sharing history, so let's see how can you do this. You must have to open your settings app and here just tap on the search icon and you just have to search for quick share. Just search for this and tap on the first option, which is quick share in connected devices. Just tap on it, then tap on quick share, and here you must have to scroll down and look for link sharing history. Just tap on it, and here you will get all your link shared history and the file which you have shared. You can see there is nothing which I have shared, but you will get your shared files history here. So that's how you can easily find and view your quick share link sharing history. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.